I went to the audiologist, and here is my hearing report. And you can see some scribbling. The X's at the top are my good left ear. You could see on some of the lower ranges, I was a little bit under. They drew a line where good was in terms of good hearing. They say usually your hearing loss goes in the higher ranges. But then down at the bottom, you see the triangles, and that is my right ear. The interesting thing about the bad ear is it is functionally deaf. It's so bad that I can't even use a traditional hearing aid. Now, I was excited because I actually heard some tones. I was like, oh my gosh, I can hear something. That's amazing. But the audiologist was very pessimistic. He was like, oh, you're not going to be able to use a traditional hearing aid because that just amplifies sound and you can't hear much. Right now, I just want to wait and see if the nerve heals.